Hey everybody, welcome to Stampers Club. I'm Karen Tralfa, and today I have a super cute springy card for you. Congratulations. So I know some of these colleges are going to be coming up with some graduation ceremonies, so this might actually be a really cute one for that. Let me show you what I used. All right, so isn't this cute? Super simple, adorable, very colorful. So it is with the Pick a Season stamp set, which is one of the free Sale-A-Bration stamp sets this year. So for every $60 that you order, you can select a Sale-A-Bration item. I'm going to be using two Sale-A-Brations, actually three, but two for sure. The Pick a Season stamp set and the Starburst and embossing folder. So it's got this cute little flowers all over it. I'm going to be using that today. Now I've partnered this up with the Bright Borders bundle as I wanted some of these really cute greetings in here. Let me show you how I made it. All right, so I started out with a piece of Melon Mambo cardstock. Now I did the vertical cut. So because I did that, I wanted to make sure that I've scored this at 5.5. Whenever you fold on the bias of the cardstock, it's really a good idea to score it first because it helps prevent any cracking on the paper, okay? Then I'm going to use some really bright lemon lime twist cardstock. Now, isn't this just a really super bright green? And then some basic white that I embossed with that folder. Isn't that a really cute little starbursty folder? Very nice and even on the background there. So I'm going to mount this onto that lemon lime twist, just like this. Now I have a narrow border because this is a really bright color, and I wanted it to be somewhat subtle. I use 1/8" borders all the time like that. When you use 1/8" borders, you want to cut your layers 1/4 inch apart from each other. So whatever you do one way, move down 1/4 inch for the other, and the same on the other side. So we're just going to put that right in the middle. Okay. Then I've already pre-cut a element out of the basic white. This is from the Greetings of the Season dies. Now these are an online exclusive, so you won't find these in the mini catalog or the annual catalog. You have to go online to view these. There's a whole slew of little labels that have the little tag part right built in. This is the largest of them. You've seen me use these a lot, I'm sure. All right, so I'm going to start with pecan pie and the trunk, the tree trunk. Okay, we're going to get that inked up, and I'm just going to put it right in the middle. Boom, just like that. And then I'm going to grab Granny Apple Green for my green, because that goes really nice with the lemon lime twist. Well, I'm going to turn this light off so it doesn't glare like that. Let's see. Does that work? Get a little bit more light this way. But nope. Oh well. I'm going to leave it off so you guys, hopefully you guys can still see everything. See if I can move another light in here better. All right, so lemon lime twist. Not lemon lime twist, Granny Apple Green. Sorry guys, I lost track there. All right, so I'm gonna grab this and just put it right here in the middle. There we go. Granny Apple Green. It's a little bit darker than the lemon lime twist, so you get a nice contrast there. And then this is Melon Mambo, and I'm going to use the 3 little flowers. Now, if you noticed in this stamp set, you have leaves. They're like shamrocks, actually. Shamrocks, hearts, flowers, Easter eggs. So you have, or even just plain leaves, or you can alternate the colors of leaves. So you have lots of, that's what the seasons is all about, right? So my little flowers, my little, kind of like rosettes almost. I'm just going to put in these open spots that were created with that stamp set. Okay, some of them you got to kind of turn so they fit. You'll get the gist as you play with this. And some there, and one right here. Perfect. Gives you a nice bright contrasting color, right? Isn't that cute? Love it, love it. All right, so this I'm going to put on dimensionals, my diamonds. And we just need 4. That's gonna work. And I'm gonna grab a mini dimensional and I'm gonna cover that little hole because I'm not actually going to put my ribbon this time through the hole. I'm gonna actually attach it with a glue dot, but I want it to not stick through there. If I leave that, sometimes it makes the top get stuck down closer than the rest of it. All right, so I'm gonna put that right in the middle there, okay? And then for our little greeting, I'm gonna get a little 1/2-inch strip of lemon lime twist cardstock and some pecan pie. And I'm gonna grab the congrats. This is the one that's from the Bright Borders. Ooh, you know, I'm gonna be having this all over my project. Just watch, right? Let's get that wiped off. Otherwise, it's gonna be everywhere. All right, so congrats on my little 1/2-inch piece here. And like I said, this is out of the Bright Borders stamp set, the one I partnered this with. And I'm just gonna cut those off like that. I'm gonna wear it, so I'm gonna put it away. Otherwise, I know I'm gonna wear it. All right. Then I'm gonna grab a couple of baby dimensionals here, put that on there, get these backings off. Ooh, that one doesn't wanna come off. There we go. And just gonna put that right across the bottom there. Congrats. I have a granddaughter that's a senior at Michigan Tech doing mechanical engineering, so I might save this for her. And some ribbon. So I have some of the black and vanilla checkered ribbon. This is a, you know, I don't use this a lot, but I really like it. So I'm gonna do 2 bunny ears. I'm gonna tie the 2 bunny ears together, okay? And then I will kind of straighten out. If I hold the middle, I can pull these loops down so that they're a little bit smaller. Grab this with my pinky, tighten it up again. And you can play back and forth so you get it to the exact size that you want it, right? That looks good. Grab my scissors here, cut my tails, just like that. And a glue dot. Now, when you're using the glue dots, it's best to put the ribbon against the glue dot instead of trying to pick the glue dot up, because then when you peel it off, the glue dot is stuck right there. And I'm gonna put it right over where that hole was. It is back with a dimensional. It might have stuck the ribbon, but I'm just gonna add a glue dot just to make sure. Now, for the inside of my card, I'm gonna grab another piece of basic white, and I want black. Let's use black. Pimento black. And I'm gonna get my greeting. Yay, so happy for you. She's worked her tail off getting that degree, so, you know, I am extremely happy for her. And I'm gonna come back with some Melon Mambo. And these little flowers are another image in the Bright Borders stamp set. I'm just gonna add some little flowers here. And I'm gonna flip that over just to dress up the inside of my card. And it matches. Look how nice it matches this embossing folder. I mean, you've got these little starbursts, and look, don't these look like little starbursts too? So they really kind of coordinated very well together. Add some Stampin' Seal and pop that on the inside. There we go. Yay, so happy for you. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that card today. Hope you enjoyed that card today, and I hope that you will be back again. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and then that way you'll see when I have new videos coming out. And love comments, you guys. You let me know whether or not these are the right kind of videos that I should be doing for you. Are they helping you? And of course, if you ever want a card, go ahead and private message me your name and email or address, your physical address, and I'll pop another card in the mail for you too. You guys have a stamp happy day. Bye now.